Enter the safety interface and power off the computer. Gently poke the right airbag removal hole with a screwdriver. Loosen the left airbag spring using the same method. Use a flat screwdriver or other tool to unplug the airbag wire connector. Use the same method to unplug the power cord of the steering wheel. Use H10 ratchet wrench to remove the original steering wheel. Shake left and right to remove the steering wheel. Use a CRV5 or T30 screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws that secure the horn cover spring. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the GND screw. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws from the bottom shell. Use a flat screwdriver to remove the zip tie. Use a flat screwdriver to pry open the small cover plate. Use a cross screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws of the front trim panel. Remove the front decorative panel. Use a cross screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws on the base. Break off the 2 bottom shells of the steering wheel by hand. Remove the heating wire connector. Use a flat screwdriver to remove the left and right zip tie. Unplug the horn cable. Use a T10 screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws on each side that secure the front buttons. Remove the front panel buttons. Now we will assemble the original buttons and wiring harness onto the new floating Yoke steering wheel. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the 2 screws of our bottom shell. Remove the bottom shell. Assemble with our bottom shell and the original upper shell. Put the large shell on the 2 buckles of the small shell. Then tighten the buckle on top. Place the original front panel buttons on the yoke handle. Then turn the back of the yoke handle upwards. Use a T10 screwdriver to tighten the 3 screws on each side of the front panel buttons that secure them. The screw holes here are relatively shallow, so try to manually tighten the screws as much as possible. Check if the scroll button can rotate normally. Then check if the gap on both sides is too large. If the gap is relatively large, you can adjust the tightness of the screw to make the gap smaller. Secure the 2 cable ties of the left and right wiring harnesses. Place the yoke handle on top of the assembled bottom shell. Pay attention to placing the heating wire inside the shell. Fix the bottom 4 screws with a cross screwdriver. Fix the 2 bottom screws inside with a cross screwdriver. Connect the heating wire. Put the wire into the cable tray. Tighten the wire harness tie. Tighten the screw that secures the GND wire. Place the spring and connect the power cable. Use a curve 5 or T30 screwdriver to tighten the 3 screws that secure the horn spring. Please note that the installation method for the Cyber model is exactly the same as Yoke model. Swinging yoke handle left and right makes installation easier. Plug in the power cable. Plug in the power cable of the airbag. Press the horn cover to return it to its original position. Perfect installation. Location of the small battery in the front trunk. Rear seat large battery position.